Two Ethiopian UN peacekeepers have reportedly been killed in an ambush in South Sudan, raising fresh questions about security, sovereignty, and the international community's role in Africa. There are three ways to understand the UN peacekeeper crisis. Number one, supporters of a stronger international role would argue that this tragedy demonstrates why the United Nations and regional organizations must strengthen peacekeeping, civilian protection, and humanitarian intervention. From this perspective, withdrawing international support would leave vulnerable communities even more exposed. The right view, a more sovereign-focused interpretation, would argue that Africa cannot depend indefinitely on foreign peacekeepers to solve African political problems. South Sudan ultimately needs a stronger national institutions, accountable leadership, and domestic security capacity rather than permanent international intervention. The neutral view would say that the evidence points to a more complicated reality. International peacekeeping can provide essential protection, but it cannot substitute for functioning political institutions and a credible national security system. At the same time, simply withdrawing international forces could create another security vacuum. So what's the real question? Is it that the UN should stay or the UN should leave? No. Here is a question. How does South Sudan move from externally supported peacekeeping to sustainable African-led peace and security? Left or right or somewhere in the middle? Which argument makes the most sense to you? South Sudan, African News. Comment. Bye.